Good morning, children. Let's continue our lesson, Life and Governance. Under that, let's see governance in town and cities. That is working of government. Governance means the working of government in towns and cities. Like we have seen in our last class, villages, and how the villages will work, how the people in the villages administer the different work, how the officers visits and meetings with, they presides over the meeting and they take care of the village people, the different resources they required and all. Let's see what the people in the cities and towns do. Okay, like the Panchayat Raj system in the villages, we have municipal corporation in urban areas to govern the matters in towns and cities. Let us see the local government work in towns and cities. Let's see how the local government will work in towns and cities. Like the government bodies in the cities. Okay, municipal corporations are formed under Corporation Acts 1835 of Panchayat Raj system. Okay, municipal corporation is a big organization which will work under different departments, and thousands of people are working in this municipal corporation. Okay, this municipal council is an assembly of people, a group of people. Okay, a large group of people called the councils. Okay, this group of people who preside over the meeting regularly. Okay, and they are called the councillors. Okay. Municipal corporation, head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. People elect this mayor. He is a very important officer in the city. Okay, the mayor will preside over the meeting of the corporation. Okay. Corporation also has an executive officer as his head called the municipal commissioner. He works on the policies laid by the municipal corporation. Responsibilities such as maintaining services such as electricity, water supply, cleanliness and the street lights. Also prevent diseases and epidemics. Okay, they will maintain the public places, parks, nurseries, roads, etc. Their duty is to register all births and deaths in the cities. Okay, this is how the governance, the administration and municipal corporation works in towns and cities. Let us see the district administration. In the district, how the administration takes place. Okay, a district is the district magistrate or deputy commissioner, district collector is the head of district administration. A district is divided into subdivisions, and subdivisions are further divided into tehsils. People who administer tehsils and subdivision work are under the deputy commissioner or district collector or district magistrate. And the district magistrate has to maintain law and order, collect revenues and check the work of districts. Small towns and cities have a urban local government called municipalities. Okay, and their functions are same as municipal corporation. Okay, so this is how you have seen how the working administration takes place in cities. Okay, the administration in cities takes place by the municipal corporation who look after all the street lights and the work of water and the road laying of roads all in the cities, and the head of the municipal corporation is the mayor. Municipal commissioner also presides over the functions. He also he also works on the policies laid by the government. Okay. Okay, this municipal corporation directly deals with the state government. Okay, at the district level, all the local government is a municipalities. They also work like same municipal corporation. Okay, thank you, children.